Well, the subsea sector has always been innovative, but we've had a challenge to actually take out the full potential of technologies. We've worked, I would say, a lot in isolation. We've looked at technical challenges, how we can solve them. We've looked at cost challenges, how can we reduce cost. But we've struggled to take the next step, which has been to take a total system approach and work in partnership together across barriers. Well, the subsea industry is moving fast into digitalization now, applying digital technologies from other industry and allowing us really to move very fast into changing the way we're working, but also creating more efficiency and higher quality of our decision making. Some examples of Subsea 7 is our Life of Field program. We've partnered with a company called Leidos, who have decades of experience in digitalization from other industries. And we're now taking into use examples, visual recognition software, but also machine learning that increases the quality of our decision making, but also changes significantly the pace that we can work on. Well, we started several years ago looking at can we create more value through technology, and we took a look then at what are the developments, what are the challenges coming into the future, and looked at how can we create real value out of technology. How can technologies change the way we're working, change fundamentally the development concepts, reducing cost and increasing the reliability of the systems. Well, the subsea industry is going through a vast change now, coming out of a downturn that's lasted for some years. The cost focus has put us into a different mindset of it's not enough just to cut a bit of cost out. We need to fundamentally change how we work and also bring in technologies to create step changes and not incremental changes. Well, the main strategic goals for our technology development in Subsea 7 is value creation. It's creating a combination of step change, changing the ways field developments are performed, changing then into a total life cycle view, knowing that what we install on the seabed, what we design, is going to be operated for the next 30 years. So bringing in the life of field aspect into our design, but also continuing with incremental, continuing to push down cost, continuing to improve the reliability of the systems. Well, there's a number of market-ready technologies or near market-ready technologies now that are making an impact into our business. An example of that is our heated flow line system called the EHTF, which allows us to change how we actually develop the field, using electrical heating into the system in a very effective manner, both from an electrification point of view, but also from a cost point of view. We have our first job now with Aker BP called Al Fugl, but already now we see 12 new prospects globally that has benefits and value from utilizing this technology. Another example is our bundle technology. We started over 35 years ago installing bundles in the North Sea. We've done over 80 bundles to date. Taking that experience, we've now moved into a place where we've increased the functionality. We've driven down cost of bundles, but we also created a new product which allows us to install larger structures in the same methodology. Manufacturing, testing everything onshore and towing it out with local smaller vessels to site. There's a number of existing technologies within Subsea 7 that underpin really our future technologies. A couple of examples is material and flowline materials. The material selection has quite a driver on cost, and we've seen that through the recent years, a move to more and more expensive and exotic materials. We're now taking that experience of 30, 40 years within sophisticated materials and seeing, can we actually counter those costs? Can we create new systems? We've moved towards non-metallic materials in quite a significant way, and we see that moving into quite a big leap for the industry. taking into more and more use of polymers into the system, which reduces cost, but also allows us to do both manufacturing and installation in new ways. Now, moving to the next stage, say what is the next intervention systems that we can use? Example of that is the control room we're now standing in, which allows us then to operate the ROVs from an onshore control room, reducing the dependency on vessels and ultimately moving to the point in some years' time where we're actually hosting the ROVs on the seabed and remote controlling them from an onshore base, which will completely eliminate the vessel required, significantly reducing the operations, but also giving flexibility and direct access for our clients to do the inspections, to do the intervention work from their own control rooms. For more information of our technologies, have a look at our technology magazine Deep 7, which is available on our website, subsea7.com.